Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a take 2 on the banana pudding. Why would I want to do another take on the banana pudding? Well, I had a viewer suggest using animal crackers, and I had never tried that, so I thought I would give it a try. So what will go into my banana pudding? 4 cups milk, 2 3.5 ounce packages of instant banana pudding. You can use vanilla or one of each. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, softened. 1/3 cup sugar. 1.5 cups thawed Cool Whip, or 4 ounces. Animal crackers, and 4 bananas sliced. So let's begin. So in a large bowl, you want to take the pudding mix and the milk and mix them together according to package directions. With 1 package of pudding mix, you use 2 cups of milk, and then stir that up completely. And then you want to go ahead and take your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and put in the bowl, and add 1/3 cup sugar, and then cream them together. This would be a good kitchen experience for your kids or grandkids because most kids love animal crackers and they would have fun putting them in the pan. So we'll go ahead and then put the cream cheese mix in the bowl with the pudding. Try to do it without it making a big old mess. Then you want to go ahead and take a mixer and mix it until smooth. Then after you have it mixed up with the mixer, then you go ahead and fold in the 4 ounces of whipped cream. So this is where I have one little different step. I'm going to go ahead and take the pudding and make a very thin layer. On a 13 by 9 by 2 pan. And then we're going to go ahead and put our little animal crackers. And the reason why I'm doing that is so when you go ahead and put the next layer of pudding on there, it won't slide the animals all over the place. Don't know if it'll work or not, but we're going to try. And the kids would have fun just putting these on there. Probably eating some as they're putting them in. And they'll have fun eating them too because they'll be eating the little animal crackers. So I don't have any kids or grandkids with me today, but I am going back to South Dakota in about a week and a half. So maybe if this turns out, I'll make it for my grandkids. Isn't that cute? Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and put half of the bananas on there. And then next you're going to put half of the pudding mix. And then spread it out. Well, the cookies aren't moving, but the bananas are. In that case, just kind of grab another spoonful. They smear better if it's big spoonfuls. And then you go ahead and repeat the layers. So another layer of the animal crackers. And then add another layer of bananas. And then you add the last layer of the pudding mix. And then smooth that out. And then we're going to go ahead and garnish it with the animal crackers. Looks like a regular zoo there. He's going the wrong way. And then we'll go ahead and put sliced bananas on the top. And there you have it. We'll go ahead and cover it with foil and put it in the refrigerator to chill for 2 hours. Okay, so here it is after a couple hours in the refrigerator. I'll get it dished up. And then my husband can go ahead and see if the animal crackers is better than the Mexican cookies.
Are you recording yet?
Yes.
Well, it's a different texture than either vanilla wafers or the other cookies that you had in there. But as far as taste goes, I think it tastes very good. But it's these are a little, they're not crunchy, they're a little chewier, but the flavor's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.